Yo, what's up everyone, Project Moto here. Come down to Ducati Chelmsford today to see the future of motorcycling. Well, let's hope it ain't, eh? This is it. This is the future. The Super Soco CUX Ducati electric scooter. Right, go around that side.
Oh, I'd like to go around.
Yes, come on. He loves it.
I don't love it.
Right. This is the what? Tell me about it.
Super Soco CUX Ducati.
CUX Ducati, yeah.
It says Ducati on it.
Looks cool. What features it got?
It's got lots of features.
Yeah.
It's electric.
Yep.
It's got a Bosch hub mounted motor on it.
That's down on the wheel.
Down on the wheel.
Look at that. Yeah.
It's got a 60 volt, 30 amp hour lithium battery. Which is
Beautiful.
located under the seat. That's removable, so you can charge it up. So you just unplug that there, like that, and you can lift that out and charge it wherever you want to charge it.
Look at that. Right.
Little under seat storage space, so you can carry your charger around with you conveniently.
Oh, the charger fits in there, does
Yeah,
it?
it does.
Nice.
40-mile range.
Yep.
Does 28 miles per hour restricted,
Fast.
and about 40 miles per hour de-restricted.
Too fast.
Way too fast.
I think it is.
2,800 watts of power.
This is why you're our technical expert. Turn it on.
Turn it on.
Lights look nice.
There's the dashboard. Nice little digital dashboard on it.
Yep.
And the battery voltage at the moment is 52%, so we've all been playing on it.
Yep.
It's a charging rate there. Different riding modes. So 3 levels of power on it. It's level 3, level 2 there. Goes up to level 3.
That's full power.
It's full power.
Yep, it's got these nice little LED lights.
It's got cruise control on it.
Cruise control. So this is like really good for, same as a 50cc, yeah?
Yeah, perfect little city bike really.
Little
Sound bike, short distance commuter. Costs you about a penny a mile to run it. Charging time on it, I think it's about 6 to 7 hours roughly.
So to be the coolest kid on the block, what's this going to cost you?
This, with the government grant, costs you about £2,499.
Okay.
That's a bargain really.
Actually looks nice colours.
So if you've got a track day bike and you want a really cool pit bike, don't get better than this really, does it?
Yeah, this is the best thing. It's good for getting to the shops.
Got an alarm.
Round town.
Immobilise.
Oh yeah, show me the alarm.
Locking system. You lock that like that.
Yep. Now if you was a thief and you was going to steal this,
And it locks.
well it's alright, but it's still got something. Better than nothing.
Yeah.
Right, so let's get out on this bike, see what it's like, eh? It's so quiet. That's it, they're rolled out now. It's the way of the future. Right, let's have a look. Boop-a-loop-a-doop. Right, so first off, it's a little bit weird that there's absolutely no sound. Goes alright for a scooter. If you're just like used to like 50, this thing's fine. It's weird with no sound and no engine braking. Everyone's had a little go at this. You don't even know if it's running, that's the thing. I'm doing like 25, I've got a big car next to me. It's doing 33 uphill. 32, 30. One car past me. 29. Well, I suppose if you're 16 or something, or you just want to get round town, you probably don't really need to do much more than 30. Let's go around town then, shall we? So this is perfect, look. This is what it's made for. Just popping down the high street and look. It's perfect. But then, I thought that woman was going to step out then because she couldn't hear nothing. Yeah, look. He's on an electric scooter as well. So we're in a 20 limit. Let's see what 0 to 20 is. Ready? Go. 20. Look at that. Easy. So you don't know that there's an electric scooter coming. That guy then just looked at me as if to say, that thing ain't on, and he's moving along. Had a couple of kids look at it then like, oh yeah, that's cool. Downhill here. 34, man. But that's it. And then it seems to like lose its initial burst of power, because I'm still down here and I've slowed down. Van's overtaking me. This is what I don't like about these scooters. Well, so that's the Super Soco electric scooter in the Ducati colours. It's actually quite good for Rantan. It's like, well, the acceleration's quite good, but you know, once you sort of hit 28-30 mile an hour, that's just what it is, which is alright just down the high street, or if you're around the paddock, if it's a paddock bike and stuff. But you sort of get onto a road where then the traffic's moving about 40-50 mile an hour, and it ain't that nice really. You do get some looks when you're out in the back, because people see the scooter and it is totally silent, so you don't hear nothing. But I suppose if this is the way things are going, it's actually quite good. It's got some cool little features on it, and yeah, it was alright. Now you will see this bike in another one of the videos coming up. We're doing a little test, should we say. So if this is the kind of thing you're into, all things bike, maybe stick around, think about hitting that subscribe button, and I'll see you again soon. Thanks very much for watching.